Good morning to all. Today I am going to revise the chapter Indefinite Integration. Indefinite Integration. Indefinite Integration. Let us take one question. Integration of root over 25 minus 36 x square. Question given 25 minus 36 x square root over. First of all, you have to take 36 common. Whenever you go 36 outside, it will be 6 because root over sign is there. This will be 25 by 36 minus x square. Now, 25 by 36 means 5 by 6 whole square minus x whole square. So here the formula is integration a square minus x square whole dx. Integration a square minus x square root over dx formula is x into root over of what is written, that you have to write by 2 plus a square means 25 by 36 by 2, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a means here 5 by 6, x by 5 by 6. After simplification, it will be 25 minus 6, 36 x square, and it will be outside, it will be 1 by 6. I have taken outside, and x into 25 minus 36 x square root over by 2, and here it will be 25 by 72 sin inverse 6x by 5 plus c is the integration constant. Now just to multiply this 6 outside, 6 multiply, it will be 6 cancelled, x into 25 minus 36 x square root over by 2 plus 25 by 12. If you will multiply 6 here, 6 12 is 72, sin inverse 6x by 5 plus. This is the question number 1 answer. Okay, let us take another question, number 2 question. See, question number 2, it is given x square root of a to the power 6 minus x to the power 6 whole dx. This is root over sign given. That means here you have to take x cube as the substitute method as the u, means x cube whole square. Let x cube is equal to u. Differentiating both sides, it will be 3x square dx equal to du. X square dx will be du by 3. Here x square and dx will be how much? Du by 3. 1 by 3 I have taken outside. This is a cube whole square minus x to the power 6 means x cube whole square, x cube means u square root over du. The same formula you have to apply here. The formula is a square minus x square root over. What is that formula? A square minus x square root over means x into root over what is written, that you have to copy here, means a by x by 2 into what is root over present, that you have to copy here, plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Here a means here a cube because a cube whole square, sine inverse x means here u by a. You have to apply the formula here, integration a square minus x square root over, that is x into a square minus x square root over by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. This is the formula. And here x means here u and a means here a cube. Writing this one, u root over of a to the power 6 minus u square by 2 plus a to the power 6 by 2 sine inverse u by a cube plus c. Now put the value of u as x cube, and this will be a to the power 6 minus x to the power 6. Okay, I have taken 2 common, 1 by 2. This will be 1 by 6. 1 by 6. And this will be a to the power 6. If I take 2 common, a to the 6 left. Sine inverse x cube by a cube. This is the answer of number 2. Let us go next number. Number 3. See, the last two sums that I have done, the formula required, I have written here. Integration of a square minus x square root over dx. The formula is x into a square minus x square root over by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula that I applied for last two sums. Let us go next, number 3 question. Question number 3, what is written, just to see. E to the power 3x square root of e to the power 6x minus 1 whole dx. Let e to the power 3x as u. Derivative will be 3 into e to the 3x dx equal to du. E to the power 3x dx will be du by 3. Here e to the power 3x and dx is equal to coming du by 3. The 1 by 3 take outside. This will be e to the power 6 means e to the power 3x whole square means u square minus 1 root over. Here the formula is x square minus a square formula. The formula is slightly different. That means x into root over of x square minus a square by 2 minus 1 by 2, because here a is 1, log of u plus means here x plus root over of what is written, that is copy plus c. This is the formula required. Okay, that means here x is u, the u into u square minus root over by 2 minus 1 by 2 means here a is 1, a by 2 means 1 by 2 log of u plus u square minus root over mod, because log given you have to write mod value, positive value, whole root over, so bracket close plus c. Now 1 by 2 take outside, it will be 1 by 6, u value is what to e to the power 3x root over of e to the 6x minus 1 minus log e to the power 3x plus e to the power 6x minus 1 root over plus c. Let us go question number 4. It is given integration cos x square root of 4 plus sin square x dx. So let sin x as u, this one. Let sin x is equal to u. So derivative of sin x is cos x dx equal to du. Putting the value of cos x dx as du, this will be inside, it will be 4 means 2 square plus sin square means u square root over. So here formula is a square plus x square root over. The formula is c, x into what is root over, that is copy by 2 plus a square means 2 square is 4, 4 by 2 log of x plus, here x means u plus what is written the root over, that you have to copy here plus c, and you have to write it mod value because log given. Now put the value of u as sin x, and this will be 4 plus sin square x root over by 2, 2 to cancel, 2 log u means what, sin x plus 4 plus sin square x root over plus c. This is the answer. I am writing the formula, what are formula applied here, writing the formula here, integration a square plus x square root over dx. The formula is x into a square plus x square root over by 2 plus a square by 2 log of x plus a square plus x square root over, you have to write mod value because log given, positive value of take, plus c is the integration constant. This is the formula that I applied here. Okay, integration a square plus x square root over, if it is given, you have to apply the equal to x into a square plus x square root over by 2 plus a square by 2 log x plus a square plus x root over mod close, all you have to write in inside the mod value plus c. Using this formula, this number 3 and number 4 I have solved. Let us go next question, number 5. Question number 5, it is given integration 16 plus log x whole square whole root over divided by x dx. Means you have to think log x derivative is how much, 1 by x, that means you have to substitute log x as u. Derivative of log x is 1 by x dx equal to du. That means dx by x equal to how much, du. Dx by x is du, and this is 16 means 4 square plus log x means u square, 4 square plus u square root over. The formula is u root over of what is written, that is copy here by 2 plus a square means 4 square, 16 by 2 log u plus what is written, that is copy here plus c. This is the answer of this one. Now putting the value of u as log x 16 plus log x whole square, because u square given by 2 plus 16 by 2 means it will be repeat 16 by 2, and log of u means log x plus 16 plus log x whole square whole root over mod plus c. You can take 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2 here also by 2. Taking 1 by 2 common, what is left here, log x root over of 16 plus log x whole square root over plus 16 log x plus 16 plus log x whole square. Okay, in this way question number 5 also completed. Let us go question number 6. Question number 6, very important question. Integration of x into sin inverse x dx. Here sin inverse x you have to take as first function because it cannot be integrated. Sin inverse x as the first function, you have to apply by parts. First function into integration of second, that is x. I am taking sin inverse x is the first function, x is the second function. Sin inverse x integration of x into dx minus integration sin derivative of first one, that is sin inverse x, into integration of second one, that is x dx whole dx. Now x integration is how much? X square by 2 sin inverse x minus what is the derivative of sin inverse x? That is 1 by 1 minus x square root over. What is the integration of x dx? That is x square by 2. 1 by 2 taken outside, and slight I have adjusted here. The minus side I have taken inside, that will be minus x square, and adding 1 and subtracting 1 inside the bracket. Just to see, half is taken outside, minus 1 are taken inside, that will be minus x square, adding 1 and subtracting 1, that means 1 minus x square by 1 minus x square root over dx minus, because subtracted 1 means minus 1 by this, minus 1 minus dx by 1 minus x square. After that you see half, this will be 1 minus x square root over dx. If I open the bracket, this will be minus half. This is the integration formula is sin inverse x. Sin inverse x, because derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by 1 minus x square root over, integration will be sin inverse x. And what is the formula for this one? Now it takes minus half sin inverse x, take here and take sin inverse x common. Finally you will get x half common, x square minus 1 whole sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 outside. The formula is here a square minus x square formula. Already I have discussed before. Formula is x into 1 minus a root over by 2 plus a square by 2 means a means here 1 by 2 sin inverse x. X by a means here 1 sin inverse x bracket close plus. In this way question 6 number also completed. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you for today's class. Next day do more sums.